Hang on.
Bird. What's this? Cock. What's this? Earth. What's this? Cock. What's this? Dog. What's this?
What is that?
Dog. What's this? Animal. This. Fish. What's this? Fish. No, what's this? Bird. Mommy.
Good job, guys. Do it again. I didn't see the beginning of it. Do the beginning.
No, that's wrong.
Eric
Do
is
it
a
again.
student.
Do it. Start from the
Eric.
beginning.
Go ahead.
I think he's a good teacher.
What's this? Eric, what's this? Whale. What's this? Bird. What's this? Cock. What's this? Earth. What's this? Oak. What's this? Cat. What's this? Duck. What's this? Nemo. Nemo.
Rhino.
This is animal.
Oh.
What's this? Fish. What's this? Mommy.
Good job.
Let's read it the right way, Nikki. Ready? Okay.
He's a good teacher.
Ready? Go. Show Grandma how you read it. Go. Read. Go. Go. Go.
Alright. No.
You want me to start?
No.
Alright, so then you do it.
He is the teacher.
No.
You're not reading it? Alright, I'm gonna do it.
No.
Come on, hurry up.
Do it
Brown
together.
bear, brown bear. Come on. Okay, go.
One line, Nikki, one
Mommy
line,
does.
mommy.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a
Because
red bird looking at me.
but
Come on.
no.
Oh, okay, fine. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow
Bird.
duck looking at me.
Where's the yellow dog?
Oh, yellow duck, what do you see? I see
Nikki.
a... Alright, I don't want to do this with you no more. That's it, it's over. No
Fine.
one's doing it.
Ball.
Okay.